The headmistress of the Akropong School for the Blind in the eastern region of Ghana, Madam Veronica Derry, has rejected an ultramodern 12-seater water closet toilet being constructed for the school by a philanthropic group, leaving the project in limbo. Instead, she prefers the KVIP. This development prompted GBC News to investigate the matter. However, in an open letter to GBC News, the headmistress declined to speak about the issue. The Akunaba to the World Family Group, a Ghanaian community abroad, champions the cause of students with disabilities.
As outlined in Sustainable Development Goal 6, ensuring access to adequate and equitable sanitation and hygiene for all is crucial, especially for deprived communities and marginalized groups, including persons with disabilities. This commitment is also enshrined in the 1992 Constitution of Ghana and the Disability Act of 2006. However, not everyone is committed to making this a reality. At the Akropong School for the Blind, established in 1946, the current state of its toilet facilities and bathrooms has become a major concern. The toilets are in deplorable condition, with a stench emanating from the septic tank, engulfed in filth and broken toilet seats, posing a public health risk by spreading infections. In 2022, the Akuapem to the World Family Group, a philanthropic Ghanaian community abroad, supported the school by constructing a decent bathroom, which was highly appreciated by the students and authorities. Following this gesture, the headmistress requested a modern toilet facility for the female students, to which the group agreed. In 2023, the Akuapem to the World Family Group began constructing an ultra-modern 12-seater water closet for the school. The project, now 70% complete, includes separate urinals and a hand washing facility, and is expected to be finished within 3 months at an estimated cost of 86,000 Ghana cedis. According to the contractor, Mr. Edu, and project supervisor, Madam Doris Asante, they met with the school authorities to finalize the project for the students. However, the headmistress insisted on KVIP toilets instead of the ultra-modern water closet facility, arguing that KVIP toilets would not require the school to provide the amenities needed to run the facility. She therefore instructed the group to relocate their project if they refuse to build the KVIP toilets for the students.
School for now, the water closet in KVIP no, because KVIP number one infection. Today I'm heat gradually into what pay, but I am paying for the animal now. What pay? Old one. Yeah, you account. Yeah. It's in about toilet seat about 12. About 12. Na you na 6. Yes, now watching where you hand and into 6. And so now car tools are here the connect your man no money ready.
Dan ya tissue. Ya boss for mason for the carpenter for you demand the promises here. But e do baby a ya the toilet seat neighbor session. And I am some bebre.
How many years there is a problem? No case of more tank, big tank. They are supporting saying this one to fight man. We be use tank. See, and many some here what I was at was a KVIP. Yes, you know, it's also many and the university in the assist here. Also many here what I was at the KVIP. Yes, what I was at in the episode.
It's the final year you call ye August. I am in the cushion. And I catch it. Yet, to me, KVIP in India. Yamafa, Yanyoman. I am fan.
A Ghanaian community abroad expressed shock at the headmistress's stance.
KVIP no, enye hygienic. Near Tusubium heat a womb, Emma na a woman no, because heat na a free toilet in Numoban, 8 infection. The idea why I say, a yana magotuno so dosu. Ewo KVIP no afen so eyema en kan free mu ba no wo ma eti area ho nyina eya no mo sofa masama mi bisa headmistress ne say adan ba bi ono ne tin KVIP ni no use ana o use water closet na say o use water closet ya adan e na sabe mo fra o mani afra ne mumu enko use KVIP.
Meanwhile, health practitioners emphasized the importance of providing hygienic toilet facilities to prevent the spread of infections and diseases among visually impaired students.
You got toilet in the sewer. Now, now one shiny year to mean infection. A man use toilet no. And think a toilet use no, and see a didn't you air fresh. Nanyanya once na beninem.
You know, people use washroom and they do anything. So my issue would have been they won't also see how the washroom.
On September 26, 2024, GBC News team visited the school and spoke to the headmistress about the uncompleted toilet projects. She initially denied any ongoing project, but later requested an official letter from GBC before granting an interview. Although an official letter was sent to her on October 28, 2024, and a copy sent to the assistant headmaster and the district education PRO, the request was declined. On November 4, 2024, Madam Veronica Derry responded to the letter from GBC News, declining to speak on the matter. Meanwhile, the PRO, Mr. Ajiman, informed the news team that the school needed a KVIP toilet, not a modern water closet facility.
See, I don't see why this issue should be going back and forth. Why don't they just renovate the KVIP for them?
Speaking to GBC News on condition of anonymity, some students expressed their preference for hygienic toilet facilities and better treatment with dignified amenities that cater to their needs. The school requires major renovations to enhance the quality of care for its students.